Welcome back to Get Into Consulting, where we help you break into consulting. Today, we will cover one of the most critical steps in the consulting application process, preparing your resume. Consulting firms like McKinsey, Bain, and BCG receive thousands of applications yearly, and a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. We'll walk through how to tailor your resume specifically for consulting firms and stand out from the competition. The structure of your consulting resume is crucial. Consulting firms like to see clear, concise, and impactful resumes. Typically, the format follows this order. 1. Personal information. Please include your name, email, phone number, and LinkedIn profile at the top. 1. Please keep it simple and professional. 2. Education. Where you studied matters. For top firms like McKinsey or BCG, where you studied matters. 2. If you graduated from a top-tier university or have an MBA from a prestigious school, highlight that. 2. If your GPA is impressive, include that, too, especially for entry-level roles. 3. Professional experience. This is the most crucial section of your resume. 3. Each bullet point should focus on measurable impact, using action words such as led, manage, or increased. 3. Consulting firms value problem-solving skills and leadership. 3. For example, instead of writing responsible for managing team, say, led a team of 5 to implement a strategy that increased revenue by 20% over 6 lets. It's essential to focus on outcomes. For example, if you worked in finance, you might write something like, managed a portfolio resulting in a 15% return in 12 months, or, cut operational costs by 10% through process optimization. 4. Skills. Include relevant technical or soft skills, such as data analysis, and proficiency in Excel, Tableau, SQL, or project management. 4. A consulting resume often highlights both analytical abilities and communication skills. 5. Certifications. List any relevant certifications, especially if you have industry-specific knowledge that could add value to consulting. 5. For example, you could have certifications in data analysis, project management, like PMP, or financial modeling. 5. Consulting firms want to see particular qualities in your resume: leadership, problem-solving, teamwork, and analytical thinking. Tailor your experience to emphasize these. Here's how. 1. Leadership. Consulting is all about leading teams and driving projects. 1. Showcase any experience where you took charge. 1. For example, led a team of 10 to develop a new product strategy, resulting in a 15% increase in market share. 1. Even if the leadership roles are minor, highlighting these shows your potential to manage in a fast-paced environment. 2. Problem-solving. Top consulting firms like Bain and McKinsey emphasize problem-solving abilities. 2. Use examples where you tackled complex issues. 2. For instance, analyzed sales data to identify inefficiencies and developed a new approach that reduced costs by 12%. 2. You should focus on situations where you have helped companies improve operations, cut costs, or expand their market share. If you have experience in strategic roles, highlight this and provide data to support your results. 3. Teamwork. Consulting is a collaborative environment. 3. Remember to highlight examples where you worked with others to achieve goals. Collaborated with cross-functional teams to develop a new marketing campaign that increased web traffic by 30%. 3. Consulting projects involve working closely with clients and teams, so showing how you contributed to group success will make you stand out. 4. Client experience. Firms like PwC and Deloitte value client-facing experience. 4. If you've worked with clients or customers, make sure to mention it. 4. This shows that you can manage relationships, communicate effectively, and meet client needs. Tailoring your resume for the consulting world will significantly boost your chances of standing out in a competitive field. Even strong candidates make common resume mistakes that can hurt their chances of landing an interview. Avoid these pitfalls. 1. Being too vague. Phrases like, worked on a project, or contributed to don't. 1. Don't tell recruiters anything specific. 1. Quantify your results and be clear about your role. 1. Use specific accomplishments, examples of accomplishments, and emphasize how your contribution impacted the project or company. 2. Too much detail. You shouldn't read like an essay. 2. Stick to bullet points and be concise. 2. Each point should be 1 to 2 lines at most, and avoid overly technical jargon if necessary. 2. Focus on results that are easy to understand, using figures wherever possible, like, grew sales by 1%, or, improved operational efficiency by 8%. 3. Not tailoring to consulting. Remember, consulting firms look for specific traits. 3. Your resume may not pass the initial screening process if it is generic or geared toward another industry. It may not pass the initial screening process. 3. This is especially true if your background is in non-business sectors. You must demonstrate how your skills are transferable to the consulting LD. 3. Before you submit your resume, here are a few final tips to it's polished and ready. 1. Keep it to 1 page. Consulting firms generally prefer 1-page resumes, especially for entry-level positions. 1. Senior-level applicants might get away with 2 pages, but even then, be concise. 1. Stick to the key points. Every line should offer value. 2. Use action verbs. Start every bullet point with a strong action verb, such as led, developed, create, or manage. 2. These verbs convey leadership and impact. 3. Proofread. Consulting firms are known for their attention to detail, so make sure your resume is free of any typos or grammatical errors. 3. Ask someone else to review it to catch anything you might have missed. 3. Even a minor mistake can show a lack of care, which is a red flag for consulting firms. 4. Consistency. Ensure consistent formatting. 4. Use the same font, size, and spacing throughout the document. 4. Keep the structure clean and make your resume easy to scan. 4. Recruiters often spend only a few seconds on each resume, so clear organization, SEY. 4. That's how you prepare a consulting-ready resume. Remember, your resume is your first opportunity to make a great impression, so carefully craft it. If you found this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon. Don't miss our upcoming videos on consulting interview prep. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your resume.